T-minus 10 seconds. And we have liftoff of its three missions, the bring Cygnus on its third CRS mission to the ISS. Got main engines at 108%.
A very well-known picture for those collector of rocket pictures. This was really spectacular almost from the get-go. We see the vehicle lifting off and essentially coming over safety at that altitude. There's a view from the other side.
And the United States promptly announced them. The first and most spectacular of these was Vanguard at the end of 1957. There were other Vanguard failures. All achieved takeoff, but trouble occurred either in the second or third stages.